What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside of my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we have about an hour's drive from LA to OC to check out Supercars at Sunset, hosted by Protective Film Solutions. So a whole bunch of hypercars, supercars, custom builds, and well-known YouTubers are gonna be turning up to this event. So with less being said, let's start up the M4 and get on the road. So officially, my first time in Orange County is right here, this moment. Oh my God. This car sounds incredible. God, that sounds so good. Here we are. So let's park up and see what kind of cars are here. So here we have the M4 parked up. So this is apparently the overflow lot. So we're gonna check out some of the cars in the parking lot. Already we see a nice Miami blue GT3. We have a fellow F80 owner. This is Yas Marina F80 M3. Kind of playing with the idea of getting our first E46 M3, and this one is super clean, lowered, got Apex wheels. Shout out to my little brother Ty, loves the Supras. This is some pretty nice spec with the pink banner and white wheels. Check out this G80 with the Vorsteiner kit. So we get a up close look at that new grille, full carbon fiber. What do you guys think? Definitely like it. Oh, look at that, that is clean. Nice E92. Got a carbon hood on it too. So from the overflow lot, we got about a 5-minute walk. We're kind of on like an industrial kind of business campus. Looks like we have about an hour and a half of the event left. Some cars are already leaving. That was a 918 Spider, $1 million Porsche. Let's see what else is that a Pagani? Look at this Pagani Huarya. We're gonna give ourselves kind of a home tour, see what kind of cars we're working with. Nice 812 GTS just started up, obviously V12 car. Check out the interior on that. Now all the exotics are nice, but check out this M2 fully kitted out. Carbon front splitter, carbon hood, even fenders, HRE wheels. So if you guys aren't familiar with this place, they're a very prestigious wrap shop in Southern California. They have a lot of cars that they've wrapped and done work on. Also a few customer cars that they brought. So let's go inside and check them out. But before we do, look at this E39 M5. Really takes me back to my Blue Water Metallic one. Jesus Christ, we must be the batcave in here. We got multiple Bugattis. All these are nice, but look at this one right here. What is this? Definitely looks like something straight out of Forza Horizon. Looks like it's the Devo. Check out the rear end on this car. I mean, this is definitely end game. I don't really think you can get a more expensive car, newer car today than this one right here. Even the plates are black and red, tail lights. Check this thing out. American-made hypercar, Hennessy Venom F5. Got to be one of the fastest cars in the world. But check out the interior, Formula One inspired cockpit. Wow. Look at this F50. Gorgeous. This F50 with the F40. It's one thing to see one of these cars, but both of them. Okay, you know what? This is insane. Long drive here, very calm drive here. The amount of people here, the different kinds of cars, it's a whole vibe. It truly is a lot to take in. So we're gonna keep spotting some cars, see if anything else turns up, see if anything else leaves. Then we'll get on the road. Clean E46 right there. Check out this G80 M3 in like a ruby type red. Beautiful. It also has the Voight Steiner new kidney grill. New kidney grills in the front. I think it absolutely looks sick. Orange interior with the carbon buckets. It also has a ski box on the side. First pull over. Look how many people are on this side of the street. Obviously, you still have people all across the other side of the street as well. Get away from the crowd a bit. There's even more cars over here, which is absurd. We have an R34 GTR with Japanese plates on the car, right-hand drive. I mean, this right here is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Great combination right here. We have an E46 M3 wagon next to an R6 beefy HRE wheels, but this definitely must have been some kind of conversion because they never actually mass produced these. I believe they made one and kept it inside of a BMW museum. So to see somebody put in some hard work, effort, and money into this, definitely one of the best cars here. Time to meet where everybody's starting up the engines. I'm sure people are going to be hitting the road pretty soon. Definitely tickets are going to be handed out tonight. Already been a couple pullovers and tickets handed out. So. That is just idling, by the way. Look at all the zombies, man. And I never... Seems a lot of people are heading out. We're gonna go ahead and do the same. We're gonna wait for the right time to leave though, so we can follow some of these cars out, get some footage for you guys. He's about to crab walk the Hummer truck. See what it looks like. Oh, a little bit. There we go. That is so weird. You're right. What? They're loading a 918 Spider onto the truck. I gotta let it warm up a little bit, then the pops and bangs will come in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's... That is absurd. Holy crap. So this is a Bugatti Veyron right in front of me, and right in front of that is a Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. We can pull up next side of these guys. See these cars closer up. Here goes the Veyron. Here goes that Chiron. Oh my god. It is in red and black two-tone paint combination. You can see the active spoiler is currently up right now. I mean, to see these cars in person, it really does hit different. You can see all the details. Oh my god. What a view. Just what a view. Look at these cars. I wish we could hear them. They have 16 cylinders and 4 turbos in each of these cars, so we're probably not going to really hear them. Hey, how much is one of these cars?
This one's 2.2 and that one's about 4.
Jesus. And what's this one?
2.2.
Or what's the name? What's the name of the car?
Oh, Veyron.
Okay. And then, what's that one?
Chiron.
Oh. Look at these things, man. Here we have the M4 parked up. Here, wow, check out these Koenigseggs. We got a Regera, and a Agera, and then the original CCX, I believe. That is so cool. This is Ghost right on the side. Closing the Batmobiles in the Batcave. Wow, so this is my first time in Orange County, and what's that? First time in Orange County, and just look, I mean, we're looking at not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but there's at least 7 hypercars in this vicinity. So if we just count up how much each of these things cost, we're looking at over 20, maybe even $30 million in cars in just this lot. It is quite something else. So I think it's about time to hop back in the M4, head back to LA, and see what the rest of the night has in store for us. See if this here M4 can keep up with some hypercars. Look at the rear end of this car. Well, let's see what happens. Oh, now we got 2 Koenigseggs behind me. Oh my god, we're in the middle of a hypercar convoy. Impromptu. And we're already Oh my God. His license plate is 277 miles an hour. Oh my God. We're about to get on the highway. We're going Sport Plus. Oh, they're not going nowhere so far. Let's plug in that radar. That. Oh my God. You don't see this every day. As you can see, the M4 is parked up. But there are more important matters at hand here. So these are the cars that we were riding behind, capturing them on the road. But we can see them parked up in a whole different vibe now. So this one right here, if I'm not mistaken, is a Koenigsegg CCX. You can actually see the badge right along the side. Obviously, Spider top-down vibes. But you can see the interior. Basically was the fastest car in the world at the time when this car was released. Now this one right here is definitely my favorite car of all time, the Koenigsegg Regera R, I believe. I don't know if this is the R or the RS. You can see carbon fiber mirrors. So this one is the RS model. Just look at the difference on the back. I mean, don't get me wrong, the first generation is absolutely beautiful, but look at this right here. Tail lights, and they even have airflow in between the middle of the tail lights as well. Obviously, aerodynamics are as best as it can get. It's like this thing was sculpted in a wind tunnel. Unreal. And obviously cockpit vibes as well. Wow. Out of all of these cars, this one right here has got to be my favorite, just the looks alone. But then we start talking performance, we start talking horsepower. On top of that, here is the Regera Panda spec, exposed carbon fiber in the middle, which is blue. You can barely see that given the lighting. And then we have the Pagani Huarya. I mean, obviously beautiful car, but just look at the wing mirrors on this car. This is, oh my goodness. This one's obviously exposed carbon fiber as well. Those headlights, I mean, details on Paganis are just, I mean, it surpasses any other car. You can check out the rear end of the car as well. Quad exhaust tips. Oh my God. And even the mesh grille right here has an intricate design. And the Regera. Look at all of this carbon fiber. I mean, that whole blue stripe. Who needs license plate when you're driving a car like this? I mean, the exhaust pipes. If I'm not mistaken, these cars actually only have one gear. This is probably the fastest one here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my God, look at the interior on this.